All right, so I'm back here on the farm and I need to rebuild this H-brace. If you kind of see over there, I mean, it's all crooked as all get out, but let me see if I can get a little closer. I built a double H-brace, and that's kind of what I'm gonna do here. Now, I couldn't start filming yesterday because my GoPro battery died, but I'll tell you just a little bit of backstory. A couple of months ago, we had a big rain, and a ton of water poured down this valley here. And it stretched all the way from about this little section right here that holds water all the way through to the tree line. It was full of water, completely. Now, as a result, the gate, the water gap that I had installed here, just kind of, it took the whole fence and just laid it straight down. And all the water kind of went over top of it, believe it or not. And it pulled it back, it pulled all my posts out of the ground all the way up to where you see where I got it pulled out there. So I'm having to rebuild this fence here, and I'm starting here with these H-braces. Now I'm gonna do a double H-brace, meaning I want it to be able to withstand pressure going this way from my fence and going that way from the creek. So I'm gonna put me a double H-brace in. Now, I'm not a fence pro. I don't do this for a living, but I thought there's gotta be another way to make it stronger. So what I'm doing is I've put these things in. These are just ground anchors. And I'm gonna take this post and I'm gonna attach it to this. That way the creek water can't push this thing back, right? So I've doubled it up. And you can see it, I did the same thing over there. Now, this one was doing fine, but my brace here broke. And so that's why that fence kind of laid over. But, I mean, I put like 4 bags of concrete. I've dug these things down 3.5 feet. 4 bags of concrete here on each one. So, let's see what we got. I mean, it doesn't look good at all, but works. It's got a little bit flatter area to sit on, so not too terrible control. Works for me. Now, once the pressure pushes on that fence for the first rain, that thing will tighten up. Everything will just tighten up. So, looks pretty good. Now, got to do that one. That's what I'm gonna create my brace strength with. And I'm gonna go around the outside post, come around the inside post, through the middle first, then around the outside post. Then I'm through the middle again. I'll tell you these, I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do, but these crimps, they're extra long, and I found that on these H braces, they put so much, I tighten down so bad that it creates a lot of pressure on it, and it tends to pull the regular size ones just right down the line. So I like to put these oversized ones on. All right, so the reason I do this is if I've got pressure pulling from the fence, pulling in that direction, right? I'm gonna hook my fence to this post. And what it's gonna do is this whole post is gonna pull that away. Well, the force hits this board here and pushes it to this post, and then this string or this line here isn't gonna allow this post to move that away because it's gonna be pulling at the bottom of the post on this side. So essentially that means both of these posts are gonna have to go just like this, right? Instead of like this, they would have to push like that. So it'd have to drag it through the ground, right? That's what makes an H brace so strong. Now the reason I'm doing it double like this is because I'm gonna have the fence pulling on this one, and I'm gonna have the creek pulling that away on that one. All right, so here's what we got so far. I'll eventually cut these things off to make it look better. All right, let's get the fence on. Now I gotta staple that post and we'll be good to go. The reason I'm not doing the lower ones is because I'm actually gonna remove those just so the debris can go underneath this fence. You know, cows won't be able to get under there, but that's kind of the point of that.